wonderful day to teach a group of youngins like you guys how Hardflip Rewind, or also known as ghetto. For this trick, you're going to need two tricks. Hard flips, which are frontside shove-its and kick flips, and back 180s for the reaper.
Fuck! I wish I could do ghetto birds. Chris, can you teach me how?
Yeah, maybe I can. Okay, so for a ghetto bird, you're going to combine the hard flip and the back 180 for the reaper. And what you got to do, put your feet maybe a little higher than you do a normal hard flip. Like if you do it right here, then maybe put your front foot a little bit like right here. And you just do the hard flip and catch it. It's cooler if you catch it when it's a 180, but I catch it when it's 90 because I'm a loser and I can't do it all the way. And so you take your hard flip, land on the nose, put pressure on the nose, and turn it backside to make the hard flip ghetto bird rotation. And that's how you do hard flip rewinds.